Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1 Overview of the Bakery Sector. Session 2 Categories of Bakery Products.
Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th, Unit 1 Overview of the Bakery Sector. In the previous video, you have learned about the baking and the process of baking. In this video, you will learn about categories of the bakery products. Bakery products are an integral part of our daily food. Right from morning's breakfast to evening's dinner, we include different bakery products in our meal. These different bakery products are categorized into three broad categories: biscuits, bread, and cakes. Now students, let us discuss these categories of bakery products one by one. Biscuits. Biscuits are small, flour-based baked food products, one of the most loved food products for every age group. A way to tell a biscuit from a cake is that biscuits go soft when stale, whereas cakes go hard. The biscuits further include the following types around the globe. Naan khatai. The word naan khatai is derived from the Persian word naan, meaning bread, and khatai from a Dari Persian word meaning biscuit. Drop biscuit. Drop biscuits are a type of biscuit that is made from scratch. They are called drop because there is no rolling out or cutting of the dough. They are simply dropped onto the pan from a spoon and then baked. Scones. A small, unsweetened or lightly sweetened cake made from flour, fat and milk, and sometimes having added fruit. Biscuits are flaky and buttery. Scones, on the other hand, are dense and crunchier, drier and crumblier than their fluffy counterparts. This is because biscuits have more butter, while scone recipes employ heavier ingredients like heavy cream. Shortcakes. The name shortcake is derived from an English cooking definition of short, which referred to something made crisp with the addition of fat. Shortcake is a crisp, crumbly cake made from butter, which is how it got its name. Pressed cookies. Pressed cookies are typically cookies that are made through the use of cookie gun or similar device that allows cookie dough to be pressed through an extruding nozzle onto a baking sheet. Rolled biscuits. Rolled biscuits made from bread that are leavened with baking powder. During baking, the biscuits have to rise at least twice the dough's height. The interior of the rolled biscuit is extremely tender, fluffy and light, so you can eat dozens at once. Bread. After biscuits and cookies, bread is second most consumed bakery product in India. Bread is made from a dough of flour or meal mixed with water or milk, usually raised with yeast or baking powder, and then baked. Buns, donuts, pav, etc. come under the category of bread. The bread further includes following types around the globe. Chapati. Chapati is a flat, unleavened bread from Indian subcontinent. They are made of whole wheat flour known as atta, mixed with water, oil, salt in a mixing utensil called the parat, and are cooked on a flat skillet or tawa. Naan. Naan is a leavened, oven-baked or tawa-fried flat bread that is found in cuisines mainly of Western Asia, Central Asia, the Indian subcontinent, Indonesia, Myanmar, and the Caribbean. Tortilla. Tortilla is a flat, round bread made out of corn flour or flour. Brioche. Brioche is bread but better. It is soft, lightly sweet, rich bread that works in sweet and savory dishes alike. The reason brioche is so light and tastes so rich is that it is made with an enriched dough with ingredients such as butter, eggs and milk, which gives it that soft texture and amazing taste. Bagel. A bagel is a bread product originating in the Jewish communities of Poland. It is traditionally shaped by hand into the form of a ring from yeasted wheat dough, roughly hand size, that is first boiled for a short time in water and then baked. Ciabatta. Ciabatta is somewhat elongated, broad and flat and is baked in many variations, although unique for its alveolar holes. Ciabatta is made with strong flour, uses a much wetter dough than traditional French bread. Ciabatta is different from sourdough bread, as sourdough bread is leavened through wild yeast and bacteria of the flour, while the ciabatta uses the dry instant yeast or fresh yeast. Baguette. A baguette is a long, thin type of bread of French origin that is commonly made from the basic lean dough. It is distinguishable by its length and crisp crust. A baguette has a diameter of 5 to 6 centimeters and a usual length of about 65 centimeters, although a baguette can be up to 1 meter long. Cakes and pastries. Students, you all know that a birthday celebration is incomplete without a cake. Cake is a form of sweet food made from flour, sugar and other ingredients that is usually baked. Sponge cake, cupcake, carrot cake, angel cake are some of the varieties of cakes. There are different varieties of the cake available in the market. Cakes and pastries include the following varieties around the globe. Muffin. A muffin is a chemically leavened batter-based bakery product. Its formulation is somewhere in between a low-ratio cake and a quick bread. Muffin batter is typically deposited or placed into a deep, small cup-sized pan before the baking. This gives the finished product a special cupcake of mushroom-like shape. Brownie. Brownies are crunchier and have a dense texture. The difference in the texture is due to the raising agent. Brownies use little or no raising agent depending on the recipe you are following. The brownie is generally cut into squares. Cupcake. Cupcakes are small, tasty snack cakes that are favored for their portability and portion control. They are better cakes baked in cup-shaped foil or temperature-resistant paper. A cupcake can be prepared from a variety of formulation and can be decorated with cream and icings. The difference between a cupcake and a muffin is that a muffin does not have icing on it. Angel cake. Angel food cake or angel cake is a type of sponge cake made with egg whites, flour and sugar. A whipping agent such as a cream of tartar is commonly added. It differs from the other cakes because it uses no butter. Its aerated texture comes from whipped egg white. Chiffon cake. A chiffon cake is a very light cake made with vegetable oil, eggs, sugar, flour baking powder and flavorings. Being made with vegetable oil instead of traditional solid fat such as butter or shortening, it is easier to beat air into the batter. Students, now let us summarize what we have learned in today's lecture. There are three categories of bakery products, namely bread, biscuits and cakes. Bread. Bread is made from a dough of flour or meal mixed with water or milk, usually raised with yeast or baking powder and then baked. Various types of breads include chapati, naan, tortilla, brioche, bagel, baguette, ciabatte, etc. Biscuits and cookies. Biscuits are small, flour-based baked food products, one of the most loved food products for every age group. Various types of biscuits include naan khatai, drop biscuit, rolled biscuit, scones, pressed cookies and shortcakes. Cakes and pastries. Cake is a form of sweet food made from flour, sugar and other ingredients that is usually baked. Various types of cakes include muffins, brownie, angel cake, chiffon cake, cupcake, etc. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.